Hey preppers, today we're diving into essential prepping items you can get from Harbor Freight. Let's get started. First up, the 12-piece emergency survival kit. This compact kit includes vital tools like a fire starter, knife, compass, wire saw, and whistle. It even has a multi-tool, flashlight, and emergency blanket. It's a must-have for any bug-out bag and perfect for immediate survival needs. Next, we have the door window entry alarm. This easy-to-install alarm system emits a loud 90 dB alarm if an entry point is opened. It runs on batteries and is a great cost-effective way to secure your home or bug-out location, adding an extra layer of security. For even more security, check out the wireless security alert system. It includes a weather-resistant motion sensor and a receiver that you can place inside your home. When motion is detected, the receiver sounds an alert, allowing you to monitor your property from a distance. This is ideal for early warning in case of intruders. Communication is crucial in any emergency. These two-way radios offer reliable long-range communication up to 18 miles in ideal conditions. They come with 22 channels and a NOAA weather alert feature, ensuring you're always in the loop. Keep in touch with family members or your prepping group no matter where you are. Finally, don't overlook the solar LED flagpole light. While it's designed for flagpoles, it's a versatile light source that charges during the day and provides up to 10 hours of illumination at night. It's waterproof and can be used to light up your camp or emergency shelter, making it great for any off-grid situation. Harbor Freight has some fantastic prepping essentials that are both affordable and reliable. Check the links below for more information on each item. Stay prepared and stay safe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more prepping tips and tricks. See you next time.